Welcome to my channel. Today we are embarking on the journey of extreme goat farming, and it is no small feat. This profession demands resilience, patience, and an unyielding spirit. Let's dive deep into a day in the life of an extreme goat farmer, unraveling the most challenging aspect of his life. In the modern age of digital convenience, the rigorous life of an extreme goat farmer may seem a world apart. Yet it offers a wealth of insights into resilience, dedication, and hard-earned success. This video provides a deep dive into the daily challenges and triumphs faced by these remarkable individuals. Through vivid storytelling and dramatic real-life experiences, we'll explore the multifaceted world of extreme goat farming. 1. Pre-dawn preparations. The day begins well before dawn, often around 4 a.m. This early start is crucial for maximizing daylight hours, especially in regions where extreme weather conditions dictate the farming schedule. The first task is a thorough inspection of the barn and pens. This involves ensuring that the goats are safe, healthy, and comfortable. Predators such as coyotes, wolves, and even large birds of prey are a constant threat. Farmers need to be vigilant, employing various strategies to protect their herd. This might include setting up perimeter fences, installing motion-activated lights, and sometimes even adopting guard animals like dogs or donkeys. 2. Feeding frenzy. Feeding a herd of goats is far more complex than it appears. Goats require a balanced diet that includes a mix of hay, grains, minerals, and fresh water. Extreme goat farmers often work with veterinarians and nutritionists to develop optimal feeding plans tailored to the needs of their goats. Each morning, farmers prepare large quantities of feed. This involves manually mixing different types of grains and supplements to ensure each goat receives the necessary nutrients. The feeding process can be chaotic, with goats eagerly crowding around their feeding stations. Farmers must manage this process efficiently to ensure every goat gets its fair share. 3. Health checks and medical care. Regular health checks are a cornerstone of successful goat farming. Farmers must conduct daily inspections to identify any signs of illness or injury. This includes checking for symptoms such as coughing, limping, or unusual behavior. Extreme goat farmers often perform many veterinary tasks themselves, from administering vaccines to treating minor injuries. This requires a deep understanding of goat physiology and the ability to handle medical equipment. More severe cases may require the expertise of a professional veterinarian, necessitating a strong working relationship with local veterinary services. 4. Milking, a delicate operation. For dairy farmers, milking is a twice-daily ritual that demands precision and care. Each goat's udder must be cleaned and sanitized before milking to prevent infections. The milking itself can be done manually or with the help of milking machines, depending on the farm's size and resources. Once collected, the milk must be handled with utmost care to maintain quality. This involves rapid cooling and storage in sterile containers. Farmers must also regularly clean and maintain milking equipment to adhere to strict hygiene standards. 5. Herd management. Goats are highly social animals with complex behaviors. Effective herd management involves understanding the social structure and dynamics within the group. Farmers must recognize signs of stress, aggression, or illness and intervene appropriately. Training goats to follow commands and adhere to routines can significantly ease farm management. This includes teaching them to come when called, stand still during milking, and tolerate medical procedures. Socialization is equally important, ensuring that goats are comfortable with human interaction and the presence of other animals. 6. Breeding and kid rearing. Breeding is a critical aspect of goat farming, requiring careful selection of mating pairs to enhance desirable traits such as milk production, disease resistance, and physical conformation. Farmers must monitor the breeding process closely and provide extra care to pregnant does. The birth of a kid is a delicate and often stressful event. Farmers must be prepared to assist with difficult births and provide immediate care to newborns. This includes ensuring that kids receive their mother's colostrum, which is vital for their immunity. Rearing kids involves regular feeding, monitoring their growth, and gradually introducing them to the herd. 7. Environmental challenges. Extreme goat farming often occurs in regions with harsh climates. Farmers must adapt their practices to contend with extreme heat, cold, or humidity. This includes constructing shelters that provide adequate protection and ensuring a reliable water supply. Maintaining the land is crucial for long-term sustainability. Farmers must prevent overgrazing, manage waste effectively, and implement soil conservation practices. This might involve rotating grazing areas, planting cover crops, and utilizing composting techniques. 8. Financial management. Running a goat farm involves significant financial planning. Farmers must manage expenses for feed, medical supplies, equipment, and labor. Budgeting is essential to ensure the farm remains profitable and sustainable. Marketing farm products such as milk, cheese, meat, and fiber is critical for financial success. Farmers must develop effective marketing strategies, build a customer base, and stay informed about market trends. This might involve participating in local markets, establishing a farm brand, and utilizing social media for promotion. 9. Dealing with loss. Loss is an inevitable part of farming. Whether due to illness, predation, or accidents, the death of a goat can be emotionally and financially devastating. Farmers must develop resilience and coping strategies to continue their work despite these setbacks. 10. The rewards. Despite the challenges, extreme goat farming offers immense rewards. The satisfaction of seeing healthy, thriving goats and producing high-quality products is unparalleled. Farmers develop a deep connection with their animals and the land, finding fulfillment in their hard work and dedication. The farming community provides a network of support and camaraderie. Farmers often share knowledge, resources, and encouragement with each other. This sense of community is a vital aspect of the farming lifestyle. 11. Beyond basic herd management. Advanced herd monitoring involves tracking each goat's health and productivity using modern technology. Farmers may use RFID tags, GPS trackers, and health monitoring systems to collect data on each goat's location, activity, and vital signs. This data helps farmers make informed decisions about feeding, breeding, and medical care. To improve the herd's overall health and productivity, farmers engage in selective breeding programs. This involves analyzing genetic data and selecting breeding pairs that exhibit desirable traits. Advanced genetic testing can help identify goats with superior milk production, disease resistance, and growth rates. Over time, these programs can significantly enhance the herd's performance. 12. The role of technology. Precision farming technologies have revolutionized goat farming. Farmers use drones, sensors, and data analytics to optimize their operations. Drones can monitor pasture conditions, track the movement of goats, and even assist in herding. Soil sensors provide real-time data on moisture levels and nutrient content, helping farmers manage grazing areas more effectively. Automated feeding systems streamline the feeding process, ensuring that goats receive the right amount of feed at the right time. These systems can be programmed to dispense specific feed mixtures based on each goat's nutritional needs. This reduces labor, minimizes waste, and improves herd health. 13. Environmental stewardship. Sustainable land management is crucial for long-term farming success. Farmers implement practices such as rotational grazing, cover cropping, and agroforestry to maintain soil health and biodiversity. These practices prevent erosion, improve water retention, and enhance the resilience of the farming ecosystem. Effective waste management is essential to prevent pollution and promote sustainability. Farmers use composting techniques to recycle manure into valuable fertilizer. They also implement systems to manage wastewater and reduce the environmental impact of their operations. By integrating waste management into their farming practices, they contribute to a healthier environment. 14. Community and collaboration. Joining a farmer cooperative can provide numerous benefits, including access to shared resources, collective bargaining power, and knowledge exchange. Cooperatives allow farmers to pool their resources for bulk purchasing of feed, equipment, and supplies. They also provide a platform for farmers to share experiences, learn from each other, and advocate for their interests. Participating in educational workshops and training programs helps farmers stay informed about the latest advancements in goat farming. These events cover topics such as animal health, nutrition, breeding, and farm management. By continuously learning and improving their skills, farmers can enhance their productivity and sustainability. 15. Overcoming challenges. Extreme goat farming demands immense mental and physical resilience. Farmers must cope with long hours, strenuous labor, and the emotional toll of managing a herd. Building resilience involves maintaining a healthy work-life balance, seeking support from peers, and developing effective stress management strategies. Farmers must be prepared for natural disasters such as floods, droughts, and wildfires. This involves creating emergency plans, building resilient infrastructure, and having contingency measures in place. Farmers work with local authorities and organizations to develop disaster response strategies and access support during crises. 16. Innovations in goat farming. As climate change impacts farming conditions, breeders focus on developing goats that are more resilient to extreme weather. This involves selecting goats with traits such as heat tolerance, drought resistance, and disease resilience. Breeding for climate adaptation ensures the long-term viability of goat farming in changing environments. To enhance profitability, farmers diversify their products beyond traditional dairy and meat. This includes producing goat fiber for textiles, goat-based skincare products, and value-added products such as cheese and yogurt. Diversification helps farmers tap into new markets and increase their income streams. 17. The cultural significance of goat farming. In many cultures, goat farming holds deep historical and cultural significance. Traditional practices and knowledge are passed down through generations, preserving the heritage of goat farming. Farmers often blend modern techniques with traditional methods to maintain a connection to their cultural roots. Goat farming festivals celebrate the importance of goats in agriculture and culture. These events include goat shows, competitions, and educational activities. They provide a platform for farmers to showcase their skills, share knowledge, and strengthen community bonds. Festivals also raise awareness about the value of goat farming in society. 18. The role of goats in ecosystem restoration. Goats play a vital role in ecosystem restoration by managing vegetation and controlling invasive species. Their grazing habits help maintain healthy grasslands, reduce wildfire risks, and promote biodiversity. Farmers collaborate with conservation organizations to use goats for targeted grazing projects that restore degraded landscapes. Goat farming practices that enhance soil health contribute to carbon sequestration. Healthy soils capture and store carbon dioxide, mitigating climate change. By implementing regenerative farming techniques, farmers support carbon sequestration and contribute to global climate goals. 19. The future of extreme goat farming. Extreme goat farming aligns with several Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, including zero hunger, good health and well-being, and climate action. Farmers contribute to food security by producing nutritious goat products. They also promote sustainable farming practices that protect the environment and enhance resilience to climate change. The future of goat farming will be shaped by technological advancements. Innovations such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and biotechnology will further enhance productivity, traceability, and sustainability. Farmers will continue to adopt cutting-edge technologies to improve their operations and meet the demands of a growing population. Conclusion: the life of an extreme goat farmer is a blend of challenges and rewards. This comprehensive exploration has highlighted the multifaceted aspects of goat farming, from advanced herd management to environmental stewardship and community collaboration. For those considering a venture into extreme goat farming, it is essential to be prepared for the demands and ready to embrace the rewards. This profession offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature, contribute to food security, and build a sustainable future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy farming!